the Sadguru's grand entrance. A new era unfolds.
सदगुरु का मतलब ही है सच्चा गुरु।
Baba, the very meaning of Sadguru is the true Guru.
सदगुरु और गुरु।
Sadguru and Guru.
गुरु अनेक होते हैं
There are many Gurus.
और सदगुरु एक होता है।
And there is one Sadguru.
जो सदगुरु है वो सचखंड स्थापन करने वाला है।
Sadguru is the one who establishes the Sachkhand, meaning the land of truth.
और दुनिया के जो भी गुरु हैं वो दुनिया को झूठा बनाए देते हैं।
All the other Gurus of the world make the world false.
झूठ खंड स्थापन कर देते हैं।
They establish the Jhutkhand, meaning the land of falsity.
नरक बनाए देते हैं।
They make it hell.
2500 वर्ष की हिस्ट्री इस बात की यादगार है।
The history of 2500 years is its yadgar.
तो सदगुरु का पाठ कब से शुरू होगा और कब से कब तक?
Student. So, since when will the part of Sadguru start and how long will it last?
कोई कोई के लिए तो अभी भी सदगुरु का पाठ है।
Baba, for some, that is the part of Sadguru even now.
कोई की आंखें बंद है तो नहीं दिखाई पड़ता।
When someone's eyes are closed, he can't see it.
तो कब तक रहेगा सदगुरु का पाठ?
Student, how long will there be the Sadguru's part?
अरे रहेगा तो तब जब पहले दिखाई पड़े।
Baba, it will last only when it is visible first.
नहीं, जिसका दिखाई पड़ रहा है
हैं?
सदगुरु का पाठ जिसका दिखाई पड़ रहा है
किसको
तो
दिखाई पड़ रहा है?
Student, no, for those who are able to see it. Those who are able to see the Sadguru's part. Baba, who is able to see it?
हम बोले ना कि किसी का
पूछने वाले को दिखाई पड़ता है कि नहीं?
Student, you said that some are able to see it, didn't you? Baba, is the one who is asking able to see it or not?
दिखाई पड़ रहा है।
हाल में इतनी जल्दी 1 सेकंड में।
Student, I am able to see it. Baba, you are able to see it in this hall. So soon, in a second.
आगे चलकर सदगुरु का पाठ होगा तो डायरेक्ट वाणी चलेंगे।
Student, later on there will be the Sadguru's part. Then will he narrate the direct Vani?
डायरेक्ट वाणी चलाएंगे।
Baba, he will play the direct Vani.
सदगुरु को वाणी चलाने की दरकार रहेगी।
Will the Sadguru need to narrate the Vani?
है? अरे सदगुरु लिए गाया हुआ है कृपा दृष्टि।
Are, the merciful vision of the Sadguru is certainly praised.
तो वाणी चलाने की दरकार नहीं है।
He needn't narrate the Vani.
वो तो दृष्टि से ही सृष्टि परिवर्तन होती रहेगी।
His vision itself will keep changing the world.
वाणी कौन चलाते हैं?
Who uses speech?
है? टीचर वाणी चलाते हैं।
A teacher uses speech.
टीचर का काम है वाणी चलाना।
It is the task of the teacher to use speech.
माँ का काम है वाणी चलाना।
It is the task of the mother to use speech.
छोटे छोटे जो बेसिक नॉलेज के बच्चे होते हैं उनको पढ़ाई पढ़ाते हैं।
She teaches the small children of the basic knowledge.
सदगुरु का सत्य पाठ है।
Sadguru's part is true.
क्या? प्रैक्टिकल।
What? It is practical.
दृष्टि पड़ी और कल्याण हुआ।
As soon as he sees someone, he will be benefited.
पारसनाथ कहो, सदगुरु कहो,
Call him Parasnath or Sadguru.
देखने से ही कल्याण होता रहेगा।
There will be benefit just by his seeing.
क्योंकि सदगुरु द्वारा सदगति कोई लिमिटेड मनुष्य आत्माओं की होनी है या सारी मनुष्य सृष्टि की सदगति होनी है?
It is because will limited human souls attain Sadgati from Sadguru or will the entire human world attain Sadgati?
सारी मनुष्य
500-700 करोड़ जितने भी मनुष्य हैं सबकी सदगति होगी ना।
All the 5 to 7 billion souls will attain Sadgati, won't they?
कि कोई रह जाएगा?
Or will some be left?
कोई नहीं रहेगा।
No one will be left.
तो वाणी चला करके सदगति हो जाएगी।
So will there be Sadgati by using speech?
है? वाणी से सदगति नहीं होगी।
There won't be Sadgati through speech.
कोई आत्माएं तो टेलीविजन में ही दृष्टि देख लेंगी, बस उतने से ही भरपूर हो जाएंगी।
In fact, Some souls will see his drishti, meaning vision, just on television, and they will be satisfied just by it.
वाह, बाप टीचर सदगुरु, तो बाप का तो पाठ चल रहा है, टीचर का भी पाठ चल रहा है, तो सदगुरु का पाठ कब शुरू होगा?
Student, Baba, the father, the teacher, and the Sadguru. The father's part is certainly going on. The teacher's part is also going on. So when will the part of the Sadguru begin?
जब मन बुद्धि की सदगति देखने में आए,
Baba, when the Sadgati of the mind and intellect is visible.
मन बुद्धि जब सही फैसला लेने लगे, वेरिफिकेशन करने से पता चल जाएगा कि मन बुद्धि सही फैसला ले रही है या गलत फैसले भी लेती है.
When the mind and intellect starts to take the right decision, you will know it by verification whether the mind and intellect is taking the right decision or it takes wrong decisions too.
पहले तो मन बुद्धि की सदगति चाहिए ना.
First of all, you need the Sadgati of the mind and intellect, don't you?
पहले अपने बारे में फैसला चाहिए. मैं आत्मा कौन?
First, you need to take a decision about yourself. Who am I, the soul?
अच्छा, चलो ये भी नहीं पता चलता, कम से कम इतना तो पता चले कि मैं आत्मा किस ग्रुप में हूँ.
Acha. Alright, if you don't come to know even this, you should at least know which group I, the soul, belong to.
108 की माला है, 12-12 के ग्रुप हैं.
There is the rosary of 108 beads. There are the groups of 12 beads.
9 ग्रुप हैं. उन 9 ग्रुप में से मेरा नंबर किस में है?
There are 9 groups. Among those 9 groups, in which group do I have a rank?
इतना तो पता चले कम से कम.
You should at least know this much.
तो कहें बुद्धि की सदगति हो रही है.
Then it will be said your intellect is attaining Sadgati.
तो कहेंगे सदगुरु का पाठ भी हमारे लिए शुरू हुआ.
Then it will also be said that the part of Sadguru has started for us.
तो बाबा ये क्या बोलते हैं, सदगुरु का पाठ शंकर की आत्मा के द्वारा प्ले होना है फ्यूचर में.
सदगुरु जब कहा जाता है तो सत्य है उसमें.
Student, so will the part of Sadguru be played through the soul of Shankar in the future? Baba, when we say Sadguru, there is the true one, that is Sat in him.
और गुरु माने साकार है स्वयं.
Guru means he himself is the corporeal one.
जैसे कहा जाता है शिव बाबा.
For example, it is said Shiv Baba.
शिव माने कल्याणकारी.
Shiv means beneficial.
जब पिता कल्याणकारी नहीं है, लेकिन शिव है कल्याणकारी.
Prajapita isn't beneficial, but Shiv is beneficial.
इसलिए शिव बाबा कहा गया.
This is why he is called Shiv Baba.
ऐसे ही सदगुरु नाम पड़ा.
Similarly, the name Sadguru was given.
सत्य माना शिव.
Sat means Shiv.
वो सदैव ही सत्य है और वो आकर के गुरु बनता है.
He is always true and he comes and becomes the Guru.
बाबा ये शिव बाबा तो प्यार का सागर है, मार का सागर नहीं. तो जब शंकर की पर्सनालिटी में प्रवेश रहेगा उस समय सदगुरु के पाठ के समय या नहीं रहेगा शिव बाबा.
Student, Baba, Shiv Baba is certainly the ocean of love. He is in the ocean of beatings. Will Shiv Baba be present in the personality of Shankar when there is the Sadguru's part?
सदगुरु का पाठ अंत का पाठ है.
Baba, the part of Sadguru pertains to the end.
At present, you are playing the part of the master donor. The part of the master teacher is going on. But now, you have to become the children of the Sadguru and play the part of giving the boon of Gati and Sadgati. Do you know what the form of the master Sadguru is? Now, even the father's part is especially going on in the form of the father and the teacher. This is why, in the form of the children, even the father has to see their airs and graces sometimes. He keeps repeating the same lesson again and again in the form of the teacher, but, in the form of the Sadguru, you will receive the certificate of Gati and Sadgati, the final boon in a second. The form of the Master Sadguru means those who follow him completely. Those who always follow Sadguru's words in the complete way. You will experience such a form of the Father and yourselves in practice now. The form of the Sadguru means the one who makes you complete and equal and takes you along. In the form of the Sadguru, the Master Sadguru are also those who make others content through their vision. As soon as they give their opinion, they will attain liberation. This is why the Guru mantra is famous. They take the mantra in a second and consider that they have been liberated. Avyaktvani dated 28th December 1982, page 16, end.
जब शक्ति पूरी होगी
Student, since when will Sadguru's part start? Baba, it is when there is full strictness.
अभी तो बहुत बातों में लूजनेस चलती है.
Now, there is looseness in many things.
सदगुरु किसी के नाज नखरे नहीं देखेगा.
Sadguru won't put up with anyone's airs and graces.